Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mouth-watering world of the American Reuben sandwich and uncovering some intriguing unknown facts about this classic dish. So, grab a napkin because things are about to get delicious. The Reuben's mysterious origin. The Reuben sandwich has a bit of a mystery surrounding its origin. While there are several stories, the most popular theory attributes its creation to a deli owner named Reuben Kulikowski in Omaha, Nebraska, in the early 20th century. The corned beef transition. Originally, the Reuben sandwich was made with ham, but over time, corned beef became the star of the show. The smoky, tender corned beef slices are what make the Reuben truly iconic. The Thousand Island dressing magic. The Reuben's secret weapon is Thousand Island dressing. Its creamy, tangy flavor adds a delightful contrast to the rich corned beef and sauerkraut. It's all about that harmonious balance. Rye bread rivalry. Rye bread is the traditional choice for a Reuben sandwich, but you might come across variations that use other bread types, like pumpernickel or even sourdough. It's all about personal preference. The sauerkraut saga. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, is a Reuben essential. Its tangy, slightly sour crunch is what gives this sandwich its distinct character. Some variations even use coleslaw for a twist. The Russian dressing misnomer. Despite popular belief, the dressing used in a Reuben isn't Russian dressing. It's Thousand Island dressing, a blend of mayonnaise, ketchup, and pickles. The origin of the name mix-up is still debated. The grilled versus cold debate. The Reuben is often grilled, but some folks prefer it cold. It's all about whether you want that melted cheese and toasted bread or a fresh, cool version of this classic. Reuben sandwich and the kosher connection. For those who follow kosher dietary laws, there's a kosher version of the Reuben sandwich made with kosher corned beef and kosher dill pickles. It's a testament to the sandwich's adaptability. National Reuben Sandwich Day. Mark your calendars, sandwich lovers. National Reuben Sandwich Day is celebrated on March 14th. It's the perfect excuse to indulge in this savory delight. The Reuben's role in pop culture. The Reuben sandwich has had its share of appearances in pop culture, from movies like When Harry Met Sally to TV shows like Seinfeld. It's a beloved symbol of classic American diner cuisine. The Reuben's worldwide appeal. The Reuben sandwich, with its delectable combination of flavors, has gained international acclaim. You can find variations of this classic not only across the United States but also in countries around the world. The Reuben's variations. While the traditional Reuben is made with corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing, there are countless creative variations out there. Some use pastrami, turkey, or even seafood for a unique twist. Reuben sandwiches in delis. Deli culture and the Reuben sandwich go hand in hand. Delicatessens across the United States are known for serving up these classic sandwiches, often with house-made variations of the dressing. Reuben sandwich contests. Some culinary competitions feature Reuben sandwich making contests. Chefs and home cooks alike compete to create the ultimate Reuben, pushing the boundaries of flavor and presentation. Reuben sandwiches on menus. Reuben sandwiches are a staple on many restaurant menus, from diners and cafes to upscale eateries. It's a testament to the enduring popularity of this beloved sandwich. Reuben sandwich in beer pairings. The Reuben sandwich pairs exceptionally well with beer. Its combination of savory meats, tangy sauerkraut, and creamy dressing complements a wide range of beer styles, making it a favorite at breweries and pubs. Vegetarian and vegan Reuben variations. Vegetarians and vegans can enjoy Reuben sandwiches too. There are plant-based versions that use ingredients like tempeh, portobello mushrooms, or seitan to replicate the flavors of the classic sandwich. The Reuben's influence on sandwich culture. The Reuben sandwich's popularity has influenced the creation of other loaded sandwiches. Its formula of combining protein, cheese, sauerkraut, and dressing has inspired countless variations. The Reuben's role in food challenges. Some restaurants feature Reuben sandwiches as part of food challenges. Brave eaters attempt to conquer enormous versions of this sandwich within a time limit to earn bragging rights. The Reuben's enduring legacy. The Reuben sandwich's legacy continues to thrive. It's a testament to its timeless appeal and its ability to adapt to evolving tastes and culinary trends. Reuben Sandwich Festivals. Believe it or not, there are Reuben sandwich festivals held in various locations. These festivals celebrate the beloved sandwich with contests, live music, and, of course, plenty of Reubens to savor. The Reuben's influence on sandwich names. The Reuben success has inspired other sandwiches to adopt similar naming conventions. You might come across Rachel sandwiches, which swap corned beef for pastrami or turkey, offering a delightful twist on the original. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the American Reuben sandwich and its enduring appeal, creativity, and influence. If you found these facts as mouth-watering as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary discoveries, and remember, every bite of the Reuben sandwich is a tribute to the joy of food and the legacy of an American classic. Until next time, keep enjoying those warm and savory Reuben sandwich moments.